Hello everyone on YouTube. This is Blue Kite 2019 Awesome Kite Face6, and guess what? I can see a Mako Emperor construction update. I mean Emperor B&M dive coaster update as of today, December 29th. And as you can see there, they just built a station and the turnaround of the lift hill, and over there you can see that's the bottom of the first drop, and that maintenance room, that could be the flawless station. Okay, and then, well, it's over there. That is the magnetic brake run over there. Yeah, and look at how fascinating it is. It goes up 153 feet and drops almost 150 feet, and looking blue, and the supports are dark green blue, and I'm sure the Coastal Commission wouldn't mind about blue, the tall stuff. And as you go over this section over there, see how this goes. I can see the B&M track up close. Okay, man, this is so beautiful in person, and if you guys are in SeaWorld San Diego, you should see this. Hope I don't get caught, but whoa. Yeah, sorry if I can't zoom in on the GoPro Hero 5 Black. Okay, yeah, these are the upgoing pieces of the track. Yeah, maybe they should make a preview out of that. Ooh. Well, so yeah guys, that was the update for the Emperor construction update as of December 29th. So yeah guys, if you enjoyed this update of this coaster, please do not forget to to post a comment in the video, and be sure to subscribe to my channel. That's all I'm gonna show to you. Well, anyways, peace out guys, and it's me, Blue Kite 2019 Awesome Kite Face6 signing off. I'm over and out.